In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 Shanling CD players for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or just getting started, these players offer unbeatable sound quality, design, and features. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Shanling ET3 Smart CD Player. The Shanling ET3 Smart CD Player is a versatile and compact device designed to deliver high-quality CD playback with modern features. It is equipped with a HIFI class Sanyo DA11 optical drive, ensuring stable and reliable CD reading, while the Cirrus Logic CS43131 DAC chip provides exceptional sound clarity and smooth audio playback. Whether you are using headphones, active speakers, or Bluetooth speakers, the ET3 Smart offers seamless connectivity for all your audio needs. With two types of analog outputs, the 3.5mm line out and the 3.55mm phone out, you can easily connect to active monitors or use headphones for private listening. The unit also supports Bluetooth 5.4, allowing you to wirelessly connect to Bluetooth speakers for an uninterrupted listening experience. Designed with a sleek aluminum alloy enclosure, the ET3 Smart is both shock-resistant and compact, making it an ideal addition to any home setup. It features a retro digital display that shows playback time and volume, and the touch-sensitive control panel makes operation simple and intuitive. The device can be powered through a USB Type-C connection, which means you can use it with a USB charger, computer, TV, or even a portable battery for on-the-go music enjoyment. Additionally, the included remote control gives you the flexibility to manage playback from across the room. With its simple design and impressive performance, the Shanling ET3 Smart CD Player is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking high-quality audio in a compact and user-friendly package. Number 4. Shanling ET3 Stereo CD Player. The Shanling ET3 Stereo CD Player is a high-performance music player designed to deliver exceptional audio quality with versatile features. At its core, the ET3 features the ES9219C HiFi digital to analog converter, which supports high-resolution audio up to 384 kHz and 32-bit, as well as DS-156. This ensures a warm, natural, and detailed sound experience, making it a great choice for audiophiles. One standout feature is its support for USB drive playback, allowing you to connect a USB drive with up to 2 TB of capacity. The ET3 seamlessly integrates with the Edict Player app, letting you control playback from your mobile phone, tablet, or computer with ease. For wireless listening, the ET3 supports Bluetooth 5.0 through the AP6256 AC module, offering high-definition streaming with support for DAC, AAC, and SBC codecs. This makes it easy to enjoy your music from a variety of devices, whether you are using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The compact 320 by 290 high-definition screen offers clear playback information and intuitive access to settings. The user interface is simple, making it easy to navigate through your music library. Shanling also offers excellent customer support, with 24-hour service available for any technical assistance or after-sales needs. The product comes with a 1-year maintenance service, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Number 3. Shanling ET3 HIFI CD Player. The Shanling ET3 HIFI CD Transport Player is a feature-packed, compact digital turntable designed for audiophiles. It supports both wired and wireless input methods, including CD, USB drive, DLNA, AirPlay, and Bluetooth. The ET3 offers an array of high-end digital output options such as USB, I2S, optical fiber, coaxial, and AES EBU, allowing you to connect it seamlessly to your DAC or other audio equipment. One standout feature is the ET3's ability to serve as a NAS server, allowing other devices to access and play music stored on a USB drive connected to the player. With its full MQA CD support, the ET3 can decode MQA files when connected to an MQA-capable DAC, delivering the full high-quality experience. The player is equipped with advanced sound processing features, including upsampling up to 768 kHz for PCM files and converting all audio into DSD format for a more refined sound. The ET3 also supports wireless streaming through Wi-Fi, DLNA, AirPlay, and Bluetooth 5.0, offering high-resolution playback from smartphones, tablets, and computers. Featuring a top-loading design with Philips SAA 7824 and Sanyo HD 850 CD drive systems, the ET3 ensures stable and reliable CD playback. The Motorola IPS display offers clear playback information, while the device's compact design makes it ideal for desktop setups. With support for high-resolution audio and seamless connectivity options, the Shanling ET3 offers a versatile and premium listening experience for any high-end audio system. Number 2. Shanling MCD 1.3 CD Player. The Shanling MCD 1.3 CD Player is a versatile digital source that combines high-end features with exceptional sound quality. At its core, it uses the Philips SAA 7824 CD drive with a Sanyo DA11 laser for top-notch CD playback, ensuring smooth and error-free reading for the best audio experience. The player is powered by the flagship AKM AK4499EX DAC, supporting high-resolution audio up to 768 kHz and 32-bit PCM, as well as DS512, providing rich detail and a broad soundstage. The MCD 1.3 is also an MQA full decoder, offering up to 4x unfolding for MQA CDs and 8x unfolding when used as a USB DAC, unlocking the full potential of MQA files. For enhanced compatibility, it features an FPGA-enhanced I2S output, supporting various I2S HDMI standards for seamless integration with your DAC. This CD player supports a wide range of inputs and outputs, including CD, USB drive, USB DAC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and SPDIF coaxial and optical, as well as analog outputs like XLR, RCA, and a 6.35mm headphone jack. The included Edict Player Companion app allows for easy browsing and playback control of high-resolution files on your connected USB drive. With dual power supplies for clean, stable power, and a dedicated headphone amplifier, the MCD 1.3 delivers powerful, smooth sound whether you're using speakers or full-sized audiophile headphones. Its sleek design fits perfectly in any setup, available in both silver and black finishes. Number 1. Shanling SCD 1.3 CD Player. The Shanling SCD 1.3 SAC CD Player is a high-end audio player designed for audiophiles seeking the ultimate sound experience. Equipped with the MediaTek Me 1389E player system and a Sanyo HD 870 laser, it supports SACD, CD, and hybrid discs, providing exceptional playback quality. A dedicated switch allows for quick switching between SACD and CD layers, with an LED light to indicate the current mode. At the heart of the SCD 1.3 is the flagship AKM AK4499EX and AK4191 DAC system, offering highly detailed sound with a wide soundstage, adding warmth and smoothness to the classic Shanling sound. It features both single-ended and balanced outputs, allowing for direct connection to power amplifiers or active speakers. The player supports high-resolution audio up to 32-bit and 768 kHz and DS512, ensuring lossless playback from both SACs and USB drives. The advanced I2S output, powered by a dedicated FPGA circuit, improves compatibility with DACs, including 10 common I2S HDMI standards, while also offering coaxial and optical SPDIF outputs. For modern wireless playback, the SCD 1.3 supports Bluetooth 5.0 with LDC, aptX HD, and AAC, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity with DLNA, AirPlay, and NAS support. The intuitive 5-inch touchscreen, controlled by the latest Shanling M-Touch system, offers easy navigation and control. With its sleek design, versatile outputs, and superior sound quality, The Shanling CD is a premium choice for any audiophile setup. There you have it! The best Shanling CD players for 2025. Which one caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio gear reviews. See you in the next one.